In the year 2024, the technology sector has surged, with the Nasdaq 100 Technology Sector Index up by more than 10% year-to-date. This impressive growth is driven by multiple factors, including the rise of artificial intelligence and our increasing global dependence on technology. As we navigate through this digital age, technology companies have proved themselves to be resilient. Their rapid growth structures have attracted a multitude of investors, making the tech sector a hotbed of investment activity. From startups pioneering breakthroughs in AI to tech giants expanding their reach, there's no shortage of opportunities. Yet it's important to remember that not all tech companies succeed. The tech landscape is littered with the remnants of companies that couldn't keep up with the pace of innovation or failed to turn a profit. As such, trying to cherry-pick winners in this volatile sector can be a losing game. Welcome to Money Minds. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer a simple and assured way to participate in the tech rally. They're like a golden ticket to the tech wonderland, allowing you to hold many of the biggest names in big tech under a single ticker. Imagine having a slice of Apple, a bite of Google, and a share of Microsoft, all wrapped up in one neat package. That's the beauty of tech ETFs. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't any really, but like any investment, it requires a bit of homework. Yes, you heard it right. No one gets to skip the research part, not even in the tech wonderland. Especially not in the wonderland. Why, you ask? Well, let's put it this way. Not all tech companies are created equal. Some are giants, innovating and expanding at a rapid pace. Others might be struggling to find their footing in this fast-paced digital realm. And it's these variations that make your research crucial. You see, while tech ETFs give you a diversified exposure to the tech sector, they're not all the same. Some ETFs might have a larger allocation towards certain tech companies, while others might spread out their investments more evenly. This is where your research comes into play. Remember, the goal is to find the best tech ETF that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking for rapid growth or steady dividends? Do you prefer established tech giants or emerging innovators? These are some of the questions you need to consider when choosing your tech ETF. And don't forget to check the fund's expense ratio. Yes, even ETFs come with costs. Though they're usually lower than mutual funds, they can still eat into your returns over time. So make sure to factor that in as well. While technology is likely to continue growing in our world, not all funds are guaranteed the same success. So buckle up, dive into the research, and find the tech ETF that's right for you. Remember, in the tech wonderland, knowledge is power. The Invesco QQQ Trust ETF is a popular choice when looking at tech ETFs. This fund, commonly referred to as QQQ, is a heavyweight in the ETF arena. With a whopping $249 billion under management, it's one of the 5 largest exchange-traded products in the United States. Interestingly, it's not technically a tech ETF. Instead, QQQ is benchmarked to the Nasdaq 100 index, which includes the largest 100 or so firms on the Nasdaq exchange. The Nasdaq 100 index has always had a tech-heavy bias. It excludes traditional U.S. stocks like J.P. Chase and Company and Johnson & Johnson that are listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The result, a fund that's tilted toward tech. Specifically, nearly 58% of its assets are in the tech sector, compared to just under 30% for the S&P 500. But QQQ isn't just about quantity, it's about quality as well. This ETF boasts a 5-star rating, making it a top performer in its category. It's also an incredibly liquid way to invest in the top technology stocks of this year, 2024. This means you can buy or sell shares of QQQ with ease without having to worry about moving the market price too much. The Invesco QQQ Trust ETF offers exposure to a diverse range of companies within the technology sector. It's not exclusively a sector fund, but its tech-heavy bias means you get to ride alongside some of the most innovative and rapidly growing companies in the world. It's worth noting that, like all investments, QQQ comes with its own set of risks. The tech sector can be volatile, and while the potential for high returns is there, so too is the potential for significant losses. As always, it's essential to consider your own risk tolerance and investment goals before diving in. In conclusion, QQQ has a strong track record and offers a diverse range of companies within the technology sector. Its size, liquidity, and tech-heavy tilt make it a compelling option for those looking to gain exposure to the technology sector through an ETF. The Vanguard Information Technology ETF is perhaps the largest, truly sector-specific technology ETF. With a staggering $71.9 billion in assets, it's an impressive player in the tech ETF space. What makes Vanguard Information Technology ETF, or VGT, stand out is its concentrated focus on larger tech stocks. In fact, over 60% of the fund's total assets are invested in the top 10 positions. That's a hefty proportion in a handful of industry giants, showcasing this fund's commitment to established tech leaders. This concentration can be seen in its two largest holdings, Microsoft Corp and Apple Inc. Together, these two tech titans account for over 40% of the fund's total assets. This strategy has its pros and cons. On the one hand, you're investing in proven performers, but on the other, you're missing out on the potential upside of smaller, emerging tech companies. Yet, VGT doesn't claim to be a trailblazer. It's not out to discover the next big thing in tech. Instead, it offers a low-cost, efficient way to gain exposure to the technology sector's stalwarts. With an annual expense ratio of just 0.10%, it's one of the cheapest ways to invest in the tech sector. That's just $10 annually for every $10,000 invested. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Despite its straightforward approach, VGT has caught the attention of industry experts. Morningstar's research team awarded it 5 out of 5 stars and a gold medal. This indicates a high level of conviction that VGT will outperform its relevant benchmark over a full market cycle. So while you may not get a lot of sophistication with VGT, its low costs and potential for outperformance make it a strong contender. If you're looking for a tech ETF that delivers broad exposure to the sector's heavyweights without breaking the bank, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF might just be what you need. Investing in technology ETFs in 2024 is a strategic move to tap into the tech sector's growth. As we've journeyed through this discussion, you've seen the potential these funds have in offering a slice of the tech industry's rapid growth and resilience. Let's take a moment to recap the key features of the two ETFs we've explored. The Invesco QQQ Trust, or QQQ, offers an incredibly liquid way to invest in the top technology stocks of 2024. While not exclusively a tech fund, its alignment with the NASDAQ 100 index, which is highly tech-focused, makes it an attractive option for investors eyeing the tech sector. Its strong track record and diverse range of companies within the technology sector make it a popular choice. On the other hand, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, VGT, is a truly sector-specific technology ETF. Its massive prioritization of larger tech stocks means that a significant portion of the fund's total assets is concentrated in the top 10 positions. For investors who prefer a more targeted approach to tech investing, VGT could be a suitable choice. Plus, it's inexpensive, charging just 0.1% annually in fees. However, as we've stressed throughout this discussion, investing in ETFs, whether it's QQQ or VGT, isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. Each investor's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon are unique, and these factors should guide your choice of ETF. It's crucial to remember that while ETFs offer a convenient way to gain exposure to a broad range of tech stocks, they're not immune to the risks inherent in the tech sector. Like any other investment, tech ETFs can fluctuate in value, and there's no guarantee of returns. Therefore, doing your due diligence is vital. Research this specific fund you're considering. What are its underlying holdings? How has it performed over the past 5 years, 10 years? What is its expense ratio? Remember, lower fees can make a significant difference in your investment returns over time. Also, consider the fund's strategy. Some ETFs, like VGT, prioritize larger tech stocks, while others, like QQQ, offer a more diversified tech exposure. Depending on your investment objectives, one strategy may be more suitable than the other. And finally, don't forget to consider the impact of your tech ETF investment on your overall portfolio. Diversification is key in investing. And while tech ETFs can provide a convenient way to diversify your portfolio, they should be part of a larger, well-balanced investment strategy. Remember, while the tech future looks bright, not all funds guarantee the same success. Choose wisely. As the technology sector continues to evolve, the opportunities for growth and innovation are vast. But with these opportunities come risks, and it's essential to navigate these waters with an informed and thoughtful approach. As always, consider consulting a financial advisor to guide you in making investment decisions that align with your financial goals. That's it for our comprehensive guide on the 5 best tech ETFs to buy in 2024. I hope you found this information helpful and enlightening. As we've emphasized throughout this video, it's critical to do your homework before investing in any ETF. Remember, investing is not about following the crowd, but about making informed decisions that align with your unique financial goals and risk tolerance. So, take the time to research, ask questions, and understand the nuances of the tech ETFs you're considering. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. And remember, patience is a virtue in investing. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building wealth over time. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in tech ETFs. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss an update from us. We regularly post videos on investing, personal finance, and wealth building, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. So until next time, happy investing, and remember, the future is tech.